Lane. I just wanted to give you a little guidance on your grad question here. So if you're in UNE, you're going to go to libraries. I go to e-resources, and I go to subject guides. And then I would click on education, and that's going to take you to ERIC, and ERIC is where you would find all of your research articles. So once you click on ERIC, now because you're doing this offline, you might, or not from campus, you may have to enter your PRN in order to access this, just so that they can prove that you're a student, so there is an extra step, but it's pretty easy. So then you're going to want to put in what you're searching for. So you can see if I did multiple perspective texts and elementary literacy maybe, and then go search. Now, whoops, apparently I didn't spell literacy correct. Let me redo that. So, try again. Now, you can see it gives you 56 results. Actually, look at that first result is mine, but don't feel like you have to read that one. It's actually kind of old, from 2009. But you can take a look. Now, if you want to only look at full text or peer-reviewed, you can kind of click on that. That means those are the texts you can get, so obviously that makes sense. And just kind of look through and see if any of these are kind of interesting to you. Oh, this is interesting. Uncovering literacy narratives through children's drawing. Actually, oh, here's mine. No, mine isn't there. But let's say you do find one that's kind of interesting. Funny that mine went away. So let me kind of de-click full text for a second and see if we can get some more. Up there it is. It's weird because actually you can get my full text right there. So let's say you think that this one looks interesting to you. You're going to click on it. And then you can actually download the article. If you're like, hey, this is exactly kind of what I want to do, whether it's my article or a different article, if you can see over here in the right-hand corner, they actually give you some related items. Hey, if you like this article, here are some others. Remember, you have to do three articles. So maybe some of these might be interesting. Critical literacy, early childhood classrooms, maybe this is going to take you in a different direction. Maybe you're like, gosh, what can you do with critical literacy in early childhood classrooms? So you could go back and research. So I hope that this helps get you in a direction that helps you.